Until yeah. Ford Ranger, roller turbocharge, make beer danger. Squeeze out nitrous, bust beer flames, yeah. And make boy sleep like him in a manger. True boy don't see my car boost up. Car boss me name, and me love fix up. Win 2 race girl, make me dick suck. And me now come last like fi me thing stuck. My vet, VVL, RV Tech. When me touch a track, yo, I duffy we make. I boost me run, cause my black close deck. And a beer cash win, cause a money we bet. Could a bag one or a new all set. Yeah. IHITD, trust Garrett. Yeah. Ball bearings turbo, fast like jet. Put a 2JZ in a new Mark X. In my Audi, Spice get body. In my Lambo. No, so we're there, car boss, and we're there up on the scene, you know, say. Where I do a gearbox disassembly. So we have a Ga15 gearbox here, as you can see. We already pull up a whole light on them thing now. So you know the thing, the most electrified mechanic on the planet. Yeah, so they want to show you guys how to disassemble this Nissan Ga15 this counter shaft. Alright, first you take off the bearings light that comes strong. Some of the just a boom and it come off, you see. Then yeah, when you take this off the pin here, when you take off that and washer here, so to carry 2 half a moon, like you see right there, so half a moon, you see them? Boom. Then you take up this spacer, the thing and pull off right here. Then once again, this is gonna be hard to take off, but you know, at super strength, and boom. So like, didn't have enough chakra. Alright, so this car runs about 500 horsepower with dual clutches and 6 stabilizers. So these gears are always pretty hard to come off. And the problem that we're having with this vehicle is that he hit nitrous in 3rd and broke the 3rd, rated at about maybe 1,000 horsepower, some shit like that. Remember that part pointing down, big enough that part was pointing down. So now we get onto the synchro mesh and the barker rings, and yeah, I did charge it.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm just a long time to see you.
Oh, yes, man. I went there jail. There, man. Barker rings came off. This one is the 4th, as you can see. 4th is okay. 4th is looking good. Just a lot of dirty oil on it because they didn't service the engine real well. I mean the gearbox real well. Now this gearbox carry dogs. Wow. Like this. Yeah, with the barker rings, you know it go. Then this with the left on it. And we had to take off the dogs. Right, some clips hold it in back and front. Then this can't come out because of this ball right here. You take the ball out like this. See, put on your ball. And then this comes off easy. Superhuman strength. Voila, easy. And you take off the, you know what that is already. And here we are with the major problems of the day. The damn reason the car is not. So if you can see, all these synchro meshes are damaged, and it's all damaged. Don't start messed up already, so you don't know the thing go. Continue. Gearbox here live. Nissan Ga15. Will clean like brand new. That's how I go on. Cogita spin. No problem, easy rotation on the piston quotation. Alright. So anyway guys, you know it's gearbox here again, you know it's that thug, right? So anyway, I repaired these gears, you know. They have been machined right back down. I mean they were messed up. They were pretty messed up, but this has been repaired. This has been repaired. You know, it was really messed up, but now it's okay. It feels like run smooth and properly. Also, this was messed up. The mesh is on the side of here, so I've machined all of these back down. This is the 3rd speed in the car, Nissan Ga15. You know it's gearbox here, and we're doing our repairs. You know, I love my job. Everybody knows me knows that I love my job. Feels great being a mechanic, you know. So I want to thank everybody who supported, you know. And then yeah, down here, when it falls down, it's supposed to fall flush like this. No problem. You see? Alright. This is our reach with just silicone the box, so I make it coil. I lock the box here now, as you can see. No gearbox in the building, you know it's the most electrifying mechanic on the planet. Yeah, so the gearbox are now fully clean up and ready for assemble. 3rd speed firing and wiring. You see me, everything look good and tiring. Yeah, my friend. So that's how I attack it in a spin, you see me? Gearbox well proper and neat. Now the thing got gearbox there. Burn bad mind every time. Now the thing over there, I deal with the whole Ga15 gearbox people. You know the thing go, we out here. Put music over. You know it's the most electrifying mechanic on the planet. Building this gearbox. You know the thing go. Gearbox. There, let's do it now. One gearbox at a time. So yeah, see the gearbox here now. Fully fit and ready for the road. Yeah, neutral it, you know. See people? Now spin it then and neutral. That stop and that spin. That means say then and neutral, right? First gear you could find first. First the over here, so. And you go up, so. No. That's our first gear. Right? See that? See that? See that? 1, 2. See it? That 2. So I'm going to start. Alright. So that would be 3rd now. See, top spin. Can't stop, because top spin 3rd. Right. 4th. See you now. 4th I kinda right direct 4th. I want 5th now. Right, I want 5th. Right. 5th I go up, so this I go down out, so yeah. 5th that, right? See there? 5th you can't stop. 5th that, 5th gear that in our box. And reverse time, you know?